Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some foundations, y'all. I know I said on my channel before, I hate foundations. Me and her are not friends. We never have been, never will be. But I want to give it another go because I seen this new pressed powder foundation kind of phenomenon going on. And I was like, you know what? I see two brands. I want to try it. Let's get into it. So the two brands I'm talking about are ColourPop Pretty Fresh Pressed Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Medium Dark 16. And then I did pick up the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Tan 425N. So we're going to be talking about these today and trying these out and everything. So before I jump all the way into these, you guys already know, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. And on top of that, guys, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So y'all, let's jump right on into these. Okay, guys, starting off, ColourPop Pretty Fresh Pressed Foundation, Face Foundation, boom. This says on the back, a creamy pressed powder for an effortless skin-like natural finish. This multitasking face powder easily blends into skin with light and buildable coverage, perfect for wearing alone, to set makeup, or for touch-ups throughout the day. Infused with sunflower seed extract and cucumber fruit extract to keep skin hydrated, soft, and healthy looking. Well, for light coverage, use a fluffy brush. For more coverage, use a pressed powder puff. On the outside, of course, it has the Pretty Fresh on the front. It does have the shade at the top and a little sticker, Medium Dark 16 for me. And then it does have on each side, it has oil-free, dermatologist tested. And then it has cucumber fruit extract. It says known to hydrate and refresh your skin. Sunflower seed extract is known to keep skin soft and healthy looking on the other side. So when you do open this up, which I think this packaging is adorable, it is a cute, puffy little compact, really, really cute. And on the back, it does show the shade of the color, and it says Medium Dark 16 right there in the back. You pop it open, it comes with a very cute little mirror, and it has that little ColourPop puff. It's really, really cute. Then the color is right underneath the powder puff. It's really, really cute. I like this packaging. It's really adorable. I don't know, I like the puffiness, even though it doesn't feel squishy, but it just looks like it would. I don't know, it's really cute packaging. I like that one. I did get both of these from Ulta, by the way, guys. If you guys want to know the price of these, just let me know in the comments below and I'll tell you. So, e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. e.l.f. Camo Powder right there in the front. And it has, of course, the e.l.f. logo. And the back it says, camouflage imperfections and even out skin tone with this primer infused talc-free foundation. The lightweight powder is finely milled to provide long-lasting and buildable coverage for an airbrush finish. It says, use a sponge to build coverage for an airbrush finished look. All right, and on the top here has the Tan 425 neutral for me. So this packaging is kind of cute as well. It's just white with the e.l.f. in the front. Of course, it has the shade number in the back. When you pop that open, this one does have a cute little mirror in there. And then they do have your shade right in there. It has the e.l.f. logo imprinted in the powder and, of course, the name Camo. So when you open underneath, it does give you a cute little power puff as well. This one is just a plain white one. I don't use those, guys. That's why you'll see them very clean in my compact. So I feel like the packaging was something we've seen before with e.l.f. It was nothing too rah-rah, but I thought it was still a nice, sleek, average e.l.f. packaging. So it was nice. So guys, I did try both of these on one side of my face, one on the other. If you guys want to stick around and see how that turned out and see what e.l.f. and ColourPop is coming up with, you guys just stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're up and close and personal. I have no foundation or concealer on right now. This side I will do the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation, guys. This is in, of course, the shade Tan 425N. And then on this side, I'm going to do the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Face Powder. This is in the shade Medium Dark number 16. So I'm going to start with the ColourPop one, guys. I'm going to use just a regular powder foundation brush. So I'm going to go in, this is the Fenty foundation brush. I actually have zits all over here. I think my mask is creating zits. I think I have one, I had like two right here. Yeah. So this is perfect example, guys. So you can see the full up close, you know, zitted up face and see if it really covers it in this pressed powder. All right, so that's how it looks. Let's see right here, it can cover up that little zit. Let's see. Okay, I'm seeing a cute little, cute coverage, something cute. y'all know, look at this. A mess, a complete mess. Okay, ColourPop. All right, ColourPop, pretty fresh. Their foundations and color ranges and undertones are never my favorite. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was trying to give this one a go and it gave me the same pinky mess. What is this? What is this? What is this? Let's move on to the e.l.f. side. Oh God, I look nut. Okay, I'm gonna go in with I believe this is a foundation blurring brush from e.l.f. Cosmeticals. So we're elfing on e.l.f., you know what I'm saying? A lot of powder too. See guys, it's like a lot of powder in there. Okay. I don't know. Okay, y'all. So this is the e.l.f. side. Y'all, this complete contrast. Do y'all see my eyelid and then see my foundations on both these sides? So with the ColourPop side, as you guys can see, it is a very casty, very casket ready look. It's not the business. This as a medium dark, no ma'am. I guess I should have went completely just to the dark section. Now the feel of it is very soft and light. Does this have a lot of coverage to it at all? Even though this is not my shade, it does have a cute little coverage to it. So again, that's what I love about certain foundations. It's not too crazy, nothing too much, but this is just, the shade range or the shade undertones is, And the e.l.f. side, now I have to admit, this e.l.f. side looks actually very glowy, which is kind of nuts. I don't know if these consider matte, either one of them. It's crazy. I went too light with the ColourPop and then I went too dark with the e.l.f. This e.l.f. one does cover a lot better compared to the Pretty Fresh ColourPop one. I can definitely see it. I feel like you definitely can see it. I feel like this may be my tone in the summertime, maybe when I'm out there jogging. I get that nice melanized glowing skin, but still the undertone is like a little bit extra red for me. The coverage on this one is actually really cute though, I have to admit, even though this is not my shade at all. So guys, I had to come back, put on my normal foundation and my concealer, so we're looking normal. I really had a lot. Guys, you know this channel, I feel like I keep cursing myself, I'm not gonna lie. I keep trying foundations every once a year or something like that, and I'm like, I should just give it up because I find my good foundations on my own, but I feel like when I review them, I'm just like, it never work out. The ColourPop, you guys seen this color shade, it was a no ma'am. I don't know what the medium part, I think what got me, I should have just went into straight up the dark category. I don't even know if they had a tan category that I could pick from. I think everything was already sold out on both websites, Ulta and ColourPop, I believe. It's a very soft feel of the powder, you can see, but it's just not ever, it was never my shade. And I said, well, let me give it one more try. This is a powder foundation. Let's give it a try because powder foundations usually are darker than the liquid ones, especially how they don't have to dry down. They're already what they are. It's flat. There you go. And this coverage on this powder foundation, y'all, was so. Like I said, I got little bubbly bumps and it did not, it was like, no, we're not doing it. And I'm like, okay, that's not what I wanted, but okay, sure. Again, I like things that you can't really see on the skin. It's like something's there, but it's like your skin, but better. Like a little bit something there. I do like that aspect of a foundation that's powdered, of course, because you don't want to have a cake face. But at the same time, when it's not the right shade, but again, is it a light, airy, soft feel to it? Yes, it is a nice feel on the skin, but it just wasn't enough coverage for me, and it is not the right skin tone. So I can't really get into it if it ain't giving me this. So 2 out of 3, that's bad. It's not a good. If you like a light coverage powder foundation, this would be the one for you. Just make sure you get your right shade. Make sure. Now, y'all, this, I seen, I said, okay, I don't know. I swatched on my finger, y'all, and I said, ooh. We're still in winter skin, and I think this one is my summer skin. I have to tell you, this e.l.f. one, the coverage on this as a powder foundation was very nice. I said, okay, e.l.f. Now, was it light, airy compared to the ColourPop one? No, but it did give that coverage and it didn't cake my face up? Yes. It actually kind of gave me a glow too, which I'm like, I don't know. I was like, was that my primer? Was that this? But literally, you guys seen it. The ColourPop one was straight up more matte, in my opinion. And then the e.l.f. one has a little bit of a glow to it, and I wish it was my shade, but I can still see through it. And I'm like, you know what? Summertime, this is gonna hit because when I'm out there more melanized, it's gonna look good. But right now, that's not what I need right now. So this is gonna stay with me. And this one though does have a lot of fallout, a lot of powder, just it kind of, you know, comes up. That's the only thing I didn't care for, but I'm curious to use this as like a bronzer. Yeah, this would be a cute little bronzer situation though. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, let me touch this up a little bit. Sorry, y'all. So you know what, this might not be all too bad because I could maybe use this all time as a bronzer during the winter and then all over my face during the summertime. This one was a nice surprise and I'm glad it was. Okay, Elf, okay. All right, y'all, overall with the new powder foundations, I feel like both of them are actually pretty good for the certain levels of what you want. ColourPop is a light, airy finish, and it's nothing too heavy, doesn't cake up. Now, if you don't want coverage really, but you want something to even out the skin, very light, but is a nice even out kind of powder, like they said, a touch up. They're very right about the ColourPop one being a touch up. They're very, very right about that. I can see that one being a little powder your nose situation. Cute. The e.l.f. one is more full coverage, but it has a nice little glow underneath it, which is kind of funny. You think it'd be the other way around, but I don't think the e.l.f. one is a touch-up. I think it is a straight-up powder foundation. I did use it as kind of a little mini bronzer. That's cute, but not all those shades can do it for everyone's skin. But I think that one is more straight foundation compared to the ColourPop that can kind of go interchangeable because it's so much lighter, but you can also build it. I believe these are affordable for what they're giving you. Make sure you get your right shades, y'all. I never do. I guess it's just a trend for me on this channel because I don't want nothing too heavy, not too light. I'm just a little picky pick. I think sponges are so unsanitary, like, and then we're wearing masks and don't use the sponges. Don't do that. Don't get a little baby brush. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do that. I would love, 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 love to get the right shade in the ColourPop one because I need a little touch-up powder, especially in my nails at times. It's really, really, I love touch-up little powders, like powder your nose. Very cute. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And on top of that, guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. You guys already know what I want to know. Do you guys want to see any more foundation videos from me? Just tell me, because I can stop doing them because I do them just randomly, but I don't know, do y'all even want to see them? Let me know in the comments below, guys. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I'll catch y'all on the next one.